Morning. One topic was remaining. The topic is A.G.P. Geometric progression. What it says that if we are taking AP definition, I will say this one. Just first we'll understand what it's saying. A.G.P. If you are taking AP, then you know that general term of AP is first term A, and if common difference you are taking D, then second term will be A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. Nth term will be A plus N minus 1 into D. Let's say it is still keep going, no problem at all. Okay, up to N term I am writing. And if GP you are writing, okay, general term of GP. So first term here I already assumed as A, so here I am taking first term B. Common ratio will take as R. So second term will be R. Third term will be B into R square. Fourth term will be B into R cube, B into R power 4, and B into R power N minus 1. Okay, and let's say keep going, no problem at all. Now how A.G.P. will be formed if we are multiplying the corresponding elements. Okay, corresponding elements we are multiplying, then the sequence which one will have, that is called A.G.P. A.G.P. will be what? Geometric progression. Okay, what is that? A into B, then what? BR into A plus D, BR into A plus D, or A plus D into B, right? Okay, your choice, no problem at all. A plus D into BR, just we are multiplying, correct? After that, A plus 2D, BR square, A plus 3D, BR cube, A plus 4D, B into R power 4, and nth term will be what? A plus N minus 1 into D, okay, into B into R power N minus 1, and will be keep going, correct? So this is A.G.P. A.G.P. what? A sequence is called A.G.P. if each term of the sequence is the product of corresponding terms of AP and GP, as I told you here. Okay, now if you try to see one star I am writing here forward, if I am dividing by all these number by B, okay, then what will get? Okay, let's see, the sequence will have A plus D into R, A plus 2D into R square, A plus 3D into R cube, A into, A plus N minus 1 into D into R power N minus 1, and . Okay, so this is also, you see, first term A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus N minus 1 into D. These terms are in AP. These terms are in AP. And the second term, if you see, second term you see, second term R from here. Here what is? R power 0 means, R power 0 means 1, then R square, then R cube, then R power N minus 1, nth term. Here what? Here 1, here 1. So this is also in GP only, you see, 1 R square, R cube. So first term in AP, second term, all the terms written as product of what? AP and GP. Okay, corresponding terms of AP and GP. So you see A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus N minus 1 into D in AP, and 1 R square, R cube, R power N minus 1 in GP. So this is a general form of A.G.P. This is general form of A.G.P. So that many things we will not be remembering, just be cancelling. Okay, no problem. This is correct only, nothing is wrong, just we are dividing by B. Okay, so hope so it is clear. So this is arithmetic geometric progression. Now how to solve the questions? Okay, so two type question can be asked. First is find nth term. Okay, second thing can be asked that find the sum of the n terms or sum up to infinitely many terms. Okay, so let's see. First question we'll see. Question is saying find the nth term of the AGP 1 minus 3 5 minus 7. So first of all you try to see the terms 1, just I am writing minus 3 5 minus 7. Next according to you will be 9, correct? You see it is in AP or not? Minus 3 minus 1 become minus 4, minus 5 minus become plus, so it become what? Minus 4, and it become what? 5 minus it is become 8, so it is not coming in AP, correct? So what? Just remove this minus. Okay, these minus. Then now see 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 8 2s, 9 minus 2. Yes, correct only. Means in this one actually this minus will give to x. Okay, so AP is what here? AP first identify 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 dot dot nth term will be what? Nth term according to you will say sir first term 1 a plus n minus 1 into d will be what? 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2. Okay, so a plus n minus 1 into d. So just solve this one. 1 plus 2n minus 2 2n minus 2, so it is 2n minus 1 2n minus 1. Clear? So AP in the AP nth term is this one, and AP what? 1 3. No, now GP will be what? Because minus you did not take with the 1 3 5 7, so minus need to go with x. Means here I will write in the first term 1 into 1 I can write. Okay, so 1, after that minus x, after that here nothing is there, shall I write minus x square? So the trend I can write like minus x cube, that will be minus x cube only. Okay, and it is keep going. Next will be minus x power what? 4. Okay, so nth term of this one, nth term. So you will say sir it is GP minus x by 1 minus x square means x square only. So this is nothing but 1 minus x square minus x cube x power 4. Okay, now you can relate actually 1 into 1 1, 3 into minus x minus 3x. Okay, see, and 5 into x square 5x square, 7 into minus x cube minus 7x cube. Next will be 9 into x power 4 9x power 4. Okay, so it's a nth term will be what? Nth term because it is in GP. So nth term will be what? You will say sir first term 1 common ratio minus x by 1 means minus x. So first term 1 a into r power n minus 1 minus x power n minus 1. Okay, minus x power n minus 1. Hope so clear to everyone. So shall I write like this one? Minus I will take it outside, so minus I can write like this one. See, minus 1 into x I can write whole power n minus 1. So it will come as minus 1 power n minus 1. Okay, into x power n minus 1. So nth term AGP will be what? Corresponding term multiplication this into this, correct or not? So nth term of AGP is 2n minus 1 into minus 1 power n minus 1 into x power n minus 1. So minus 1 power n minus 1 will write first. So minus 1 power n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 into x power n minus 1. Okay, we'll see the next problem. Next question in this one asking what? Find the sum to the infinite of the series. Okay, infinity of the series. Find the sum of the infinity of the series means number of terms are infinitely many here, and we need to find sum of this one. So this type question how to solve? First of all, very important procedure you need to understand. First of all, you see this is 1, this is 2, then 6, then 10, then 14. So this, if you are leaving 1, then 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. Means numerator if you see then it is in AP, and denominator you see here. So 3, okay, this 3, 3 square, 3 cube. Okay, so this is in GP. So what you need to do in this one, you try to identify AGP first. So AGP what? Here 1 we will write like AGP will write, or directly will consider, let's say S equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 cube, sorry 3 square, plus 10 by 3 cube plus 14 by 3 power 4 plus dot 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 up to infinitely many term. Okay, up to infinity many terms. Okay, so what you need to do in this one, you need to identify what is common ratio here in AGP. What is common ratio here? Okay, so common ratio will get, you can see 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 cube, 1 by 3 power 4. Okay, 1 by 3 is the common ratio. So what you need to do in the next step, you need to multiply this S by 1 by 3, means both side we will multiply by 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. After that we will have the terms. So how you need to write the terms by shifting one term. Okay, shifting one term in right side. So 1 into 1 by 3 I will write here. Okay, this 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 I will write here 2 by 3 square. 6 into 3 square, 6 by 3 square into 1 by 3, 6 by 3 cube. Okay, and this will be 10 divided by 3 power 4. So dot dot dot. Okay, you might be thinking, sir, 1 actually not, if we are including 1, then it is not making what? Arithmetic progression, because 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so no problem at all. This type question, whenever from here even it is making AGP, correct or not? It is making AGP. So what we need to do in this one, we will multiply common ratio. You need to identify. After that, multiply by the common ratio. In S you need to consider it as S, and then multiply by 1 by 3 and write the terms now after multiplication by shifting one term in right side. Okay, so just leave the first term 1, because it is not making AP or GP, correct or not? It is not in AP GP. Okay, so that's why I am leaving it. It is not, so just shift the term. Okay, now what you need to do, now you subtract it. Okay, now you subtract it. Equation number 1, equation number 2, subtract equation 2 from 1. So you will say, sir, S minus 1 by 3S. What you are going to have? 1 here, nothing is 0, so 1. Okay, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay, 6 by 3 square minus 2 by 3 square, so 4 by 3 square. Okay, here what? Here you'll have 10 minus 6, 4 by 3 cube. Okay, next what? Next you'll be having 4 by 3 power 4 plus dot 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 till infinitely many term. Okay, now again you see, this is what? This is S will take common, so 1 minus 1 by 3 times S is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 plus, shall I take 4 common here? If I am taking 4 common here, then what I will have? I will have 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus dot 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 till infinitely many term. And it is what? 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 plus 4 times, this is infinite GP. Okay, first term 1 by 3 square, so A divided by 1 minus R. Okay, common ratio what? 1 divided by 3 square divided by 1 by 3 square will be 1 by 3 only, so A divided by 1 minus R. It is what? 3 into 1 minus 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 S we are getting. Okay, so from here you will say, sir, 2 by 3 S is equal to 4 by 3, 4 by 3 plus 4 times, this multiply here, 3 into 1, 3 minus 1. Okay, so it will be 2 by 3 means 3 by 2 into this is 1 by 3 square. Okay, 1 3 3 cancel here, 2 2 is 4, so this one we are getting 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 6 by 3 means 3. Okay, 6 by 3 means we are getting 2, correct? So 2 by 3 S we got this one. So S equal to what? S equal to 3 2 2 2 cancel, 3 we got the answer. Okay, so S is nothing but 3. Okay, S is nothing but 3. Again I am telling the procedure is very simple. You need to multiply the by the common ratio, shift the terms. Now when you will be writing the terms after multiplying by what, 1 by 3, and you need to consider it first as s to find what, to find sum of the terms. Okay, hope so very clear. We'll go for the next problem. Okay, so the next problem is saying 3 plus d into 1 by 4, 3 plus 2d divided by into 1 by 4 square plus dot dot till infinity terms. We need to find, it is saying that its sum is 44 by 9, then find d. Okay, so what to do, you can see here, this is 3, this is 3 plus d, this is 3 plus 2d, it is in AP. Okay, common difference d, and here 1 3 into 1 1 by 4, 1 by 4 squared, 1 by 4 cube will come in the next term, correct? So the thing is that is in GP. So A.G.P. I think so identified here. I told you R means here for the GP R is 1 by 4. Okay, that is very clear. I told you just write this on S, then you'll be writing 3 into 3 plus D into 1 by 4 plus 3 plus 2D into 1 by 4 square plus next term will be 3 plus 3D into 1 by 4 cube. Okay, and dot dot dot, it is keep going. One more thing, why we are going to multiply by the common ratio? Okay, so that after subtracting it, you can see it is coming in as a GP format, correct or not? One sequence will have, so that easily will get the sum. Few terms will be, they will not be in GP. Okay, they will not make the terms in GP, so we'll keep them separate. Okay, let's see here. So again here you will be multiplying by 1 by 4 here, so multiply by 1 by 4 s and shift the terms. Okay, shift the terms. So 3 I need to write here. In this one I will multiply by 1 by d, 1 by 4, so 3 into 1 by 4. Now next term 3 plus d here. Okay, into 1 by 4 already there, again will be multiplied by 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 square. Okay, so actually you can see subtractions are easy. 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 square. Next will be what, 3 plus 2d, 3 plus 2d into 1 by 4 cube and plus dot dot dot. Okay, now subtract it. So 1 minus 1 by 4 times s is equal to, this is 3 minus 0 3, 3 plus d and 1 by 4 common, so 3 plus d minus 3, d will be remaining only in the bracket, d by 4. Next will be what, 3 plus 2d minus 3 plus d, so 3 cancel, in bracket outside of the bracket 1 by 4 square, so 2d minus d will be remaining, d by 4 square. Next will be d by 4 cube. Now you might be understanding, actually it is making infinite GP, correct or not? So very easy to find the sum. It is what, 4 into 1 minus 1 means 3 by 4 s. Okay, is equal to, here 3 is not contributing to make it what, infinite GP. So 3 will keep as outside, d we can take common, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 4 cube plus dot dot dot. Okay, so it is 3 plus d outside, first term is 1 by 4, common ratio 1 by 4. Okay, sum of infinite GP, so 3 plus, this is d into, this is 3 by 4 means 4 by 3 into 1 by 4, 4 cancel here, so 3 plus 1 by 3 or d by 3. Okay, 3 plus d by 3, this is what, 3 by 4 s. So s is what, s we are getting 4 by 3 into 3 plus d by 3. Okay, so it is given, sum is given what, 44 by 9, it is given 44 by 9. Okay, this side just you multiply, 4 3 is 12 by 3, or take LCM here. Okay, take LCM here, so it will be 4 by 3 into 9 plus d by 3 is equal to 44 by 9. Okay, this 3 9 cancel, correct? So 9 4 ja, okay, 36 plus 4d is equal to 44, so 4d is equal to 8, so from here d is equal to 2. That is the answer. Okay, so hope so it is easy to understand. Okay, we'll meet in next question.